Hello guys, and welcome to my channel if you're just joining me. And yes, that is my black flag behind me and my Kwanzaa setup. If you want more information on that, I'll leave it down in the description bar. But Veganuary is among us. It is right around the corner. So for Veganuary, I will be teaching you guys how to make 5 staple items I personally use and keep in my household for a bunch of reasons. So please make sure to sign up. It is free. I will be going live for 5 days from January 1st to January 5th to show you guys how to make these staples live and to answer any questions you have about veganism. I'm so excited. All the information and to sign up is right down below. I will be going live on Instagram at studiovegan_, and I'm so excited. So that's what the shirt says. The black girls are never overrated. But yeah, I'm so excited to teach you guys and share all this amazing information with you. Whether you're joining this lifestyle for the month or you're looking to add this to your repertoire, I'm here for you. So I'm going to show you guys what I'll be teaching. Oh, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you cannot join me from January 1st to the 5th, that is perfectly fine. I'm going to make a blog post that will include everything that I will be teaching, including the recipes. Yes. For our first thing, we're going to be making some plant-based milk. I will be showing you how to make a few different versions using what you already have in your house. Most people already have it. Second, we're going to make some granola. I love homemade granola. It will change your life forever. It's so yummy. So yeah, we're going to make some veggie stock. And we're going to make my favorite thing to eat for breakfast, as a dessert, as a side, vegan butter biscuits. They are so easy to make, so yummy, and so inexpensive. And you can also keep them for a long period of time. So I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite things. I promise you, you will not regret making these. They're so easy. They take little or no time to make, and they will change your life. Just saying. That's a close-up of the detail and all that good. And man, y'all see these butter biscuits? You better join me or watch this video. I'll leave all the information down in the description bar, as I stated in the beginning. Next, I'm going to show you how to make pasta. Pasta is a staple in all households. It is something you can make quick. It's tasty. It pairs with almost anything, and making your own homemade pasta will change your cooking game. Just saying. I love making homemade pasta. It's super easy to make. Again, it is just something I feel like everybody should know how to do. So yeah, homemade pasta is on our list as well. Now look at how beautiful that is. Do you guys see this? Man. And then you can also infuse it with veggies. Next, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a stir fry. That's a bonus, and thanks for watching.